Good morning. We are here in Buchanan, Georgia. We're doing an LVP job. It's a new construction home. So let me take you inside and let's see what's going on in here. All right, let's go inside. So this is, again, new construction. So we're in the finishing stages. This is LVP is throughout all upstairs and the main level down here. The color is Kyoto, and I'll take you upstairs. But this is a really pretty color. It's a light natural color, has a little bit of different colors in the grains, so it gives it like a wood-like, a real wood-like finish, or not finish, but a real wood-like detail in the LVP. It even has some like wood grains in there. So yeah, they did a really nice job with this, picking this product out. So let's go upstairs. It's the same thing up here, but just in a really large room. This is like the bonus room. It's really, really a pretty color. I really like it. So that's the bonus room. Then we have the main living area. Here in the kitchen, looks really nice with the cabinets that they chose. You have white with a little bit of brown. We got the breakfast area. We have Herman back here finishing up in this room. And then we have this room as well. We have the bathroom. So yeah, that's it. But wanted to give you a little peek and a little bit of inspiration this morning. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you have a great week.